dear friends. Please do check out digitaldeepak.ai. Ask any question on philosophy, science, theology, religion, science, and get my response immediately and give me feedback if you find it useful. Digitaldeepak.ai carries my voice as well. Give me feedback on that. You don't need to download an app. You can do it from your browser, on your phone, on any device. And it will go along with this book, which will come out in September. So today, actually, I want to share with you that as I'm a subscriber to a lot of magazines, including Scientific American and the New Scientist, there are a lot of articles appearing on so-called cosmic consciousness and also on panpsychism. I personally am not an adherent of panpsychism because it assumes the existence of matter. However, matter is a useful model for science. And so it's here to stay. Just know that in the deeper reality, matter is a modified form of consciousness because it is experienced as the fluctuations of sense perceptions, images, feelings, and thoughts. And I've addressed that many times. But now I want to share an idea that has been exciting me for a bit, and that is that our brains are the observation deck for the universe looking at itself from, of course, a unique point of view. And that everything and everyone we see is the universe looking at itself. So you are the universe looking at itself whenever you look at anything. So just bear with me as I share this argument with you. So in the vast expanse of the cosmos, we find ourselves in a unique position. Conscious beings capable of contemplating our own existence and the nature of the universe itself. This realization leads to a profound and almost paradoxical conclusion. We who seek to understand the universe are, in fact, an integral part of the very mystery we aim to unravel. Our brains, which are intricate networks of billions of neurons, serve as the observation deck from which the universe gazes upon itself. This metaphor is not merely poetic, although I came up with it. It encapsulates a fundamental truth about our place in the cosmos. The matter that composes our brains, or the matter construct that composes our brains, the elements that form our bodies, all originated in the hearts of dying stars. We are quite literally made of stardust, but we are stardust with self-awareness. This cosmic heritage grants us a unique perspective. When we gaze at the stars, we are the universe looking back at its own distant past. When we peer through a microscope at the quantum realm, we are the universe examining its fundamental building blocks. Our consciousness, emerging from the complexity of our brains, as current science says, although I don't believe that, our consciousness leads to the amazing complexity of our brains, allows the universe to reflect upon itself in ways that, as far as we know, are unparalleled in the observed cosmos. The idea that everything and everyone we see is the universe looking at itself speaks to a profound interconnectedness between the observer and the observed. And this concept resonates with both ancient philosophical traditions and modern scientific theories. In quantum physics, the act of observation can influence the behavior of particles, blurring the distinction between observer and the observed. Eastern philosophies have long emphasized the unity of all things, suggesting that the perceived separation between self and the universe is an illusion. The anthropic principle in cosmology posits that the universe must have properties that allow for the emergence of observers within it. So, what I'm sharing with you has implications for scientific inquiry and self-understanding. This perspective has far-reaching implications for how we approach scientific inquiry and self-understanding. It encourages humility in our pursuit of knowledge, reminding us that we are part of the system we study, not separate from it. It suggests that understanding ourselves, our consciousness, our cognitive biases, our perceptual limitations is crucial to understanding the universe. It highlights the importance of diverse perspectives in science, as each human mind offers a unique viewing angle on the cosmos. So, we are the cosmic mirror. So, the notion that we are the universe observing itself offers a profound framework for understanding our place in the cosmos. It challenges us to see beyond the apparent separation between self and the universe, encouraging a more holistic and interconnected view of reality. As we continue our quest to understand the cosmos, we must remember that every discovery, every insight is not just about the so-called external universe, but also about ourselves. The cosmic observers, we are the cosmic observers engaged in a grand act of universal self-reflection. Let me know if this resonates. And remember, you can ask me any question on digital.deepak.ai, which will soon go along with this book as well, Digital Dharma. Ask me any question and I will respond with my voice, and you can give me feedback as to whether it is of any use to you whatsoever.